Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English 24 channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Lily.
Hello, Lily. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here.
Alex, airports make many people nervous, but today we're going to show how to speak with confidence at an airport.
That's true, Lily. Some people feel shy when talking to airport staff, but confidence can make everything easier.
Let's imagine I'm a traveler and you're the airport officer.
Okay. Let's start. Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Good morning. Yes, here you are. This is my passport and my ticket.
Is this your first international trip?
Yes, it is. I'm a little excited, but I feel confident speaking English.
That's wonderful. Confidence comes from practice.
What if I feel nervous when speaking?
You can take a deep breath, smile, and speak slowly. Confidence grows when you try.
That's such a good tip, Alex.
Thank you, Lily. Now, let's move to a new country. Imagine we just arrived in a new country.
Yes, this is a very common situation for English learners. Alex, I feel scared to talk to people in a new country.
That's normal, Lily. But remember, most people are kind and helpful.
How can I talk confidently?
Start with a smile and simple words. For example, excuse me, can you help me?
Excuse me, can you help me?
Perfect. That was very confident.
Yay! I feel better already.
See? Confidence is just a skill you can practice every day.
So friends, don't be afraid of mistakes.
Yes, mistakes help you learn faster.
Alex, let's imagine we're at a cafe. Many people feel nervous ordering in English.
That's true, Lily. But with confidence, even ordering coffee can be fun.
Hello, can I get a cappuccino, please?
Of course. Would you like any sugar or milk?
Just a little milk, thank you.
Great choice. Your order will be ready in a few minutes.
Wow, I feel so confident speaking English in a cafe.
Yes, Lily. Confidence is about speaking clearly and smiling.
What if I don't understand the menu?
You can ask politely. Excuse me, can you explain this dish?
Excuse me, can you explain this dish?
Perfect. That's very confident and polite.
Now, imagine we are at a park in a new city. Meeting friends can be tricky if you feel shy.
Yes, but we can practice simple conversations to feel confident.
Hi, my name is Lily. What's your name?
Hello, Lily. I'm Alex. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Do you come to this park often?
Yes, I love jogging here. How about you?
I just moved to this city and I want to explore new places.
That's great. Confidence is about starting a conversation, even if it feels new.
So the key is to smile and speak slowly.
Exactly, Lily. And remember, listening carefully also makes your conversation confident.
I feel more confident already talking with strangers.
That's the spirit. Practice makes perfect.
Alex, many people feel nervous talking to colleagues at work, especially on their first day.
Yes, Lily. But confidence can make a great first impression.
Hi, I'm Lily, the new team member. Nice to meet you.
Hello, Lily. Welcome to the team. I'm Alex.
Thank you, Alex. I'm excited to work here and learn new things.
That's wonderful. Confidence is all about speaking clearly and showing interest.
How can I join conversations without feeling shy?
Gentle, friendly tone. Start with small questions. Can I help with that? Or how do you usually do this task?
Can I help with that?
Perfect. Simple and confident. People appreciate polite questions.
Now, let's imagine we are at a supermarket. Ordering or asking for items can be tricky if we're shy.
Yes, but with confidence, asking for anything is easy.
Excuse me, can you tell me where the bread is?
Sure. It's in aisle 5, near the bakery section.
Thank you so much. I'm trying to speak English confidently.
That's great. You see, confidence comes from practice.
What if I make mistakes while asking?
Don't worry. Most people will understand and appreciate your effort.
Wow, I feel more confident speaking English in real situations.
Exactly, Lily. Every conversation builds your confidence.
Alex, dining out in English can be challenging, but confidence makes it easy.
Yes, Lily. Let's practice ordering food confidently.
Hello, I'd like to order the grilled chicken, please.
Of course. Would you like any side dishes with that?
Yes, I'll have a salad and some mashed potatoes, please.
Perfect. Your order will be ready shortly.
Alex, what if I want to ask about the menu items I don't understand?
You can ask, "Excuse me, what is in this dish?"
Excuse me, what is in this dish?
Excellent. Confident and polite.
I love how easy it feels when I speak with confidence. Now, let's imagine we're exploring a new city and need directions.
Yes, asking directions is common and confidence helps a lot.
Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the train station?
Sure. Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left. You'll see the station.
Thank you so much. I'm learning to speak English with confidence every day.
See, Lily? Asking questions clearly and politely shows confidence.
What if someone doesn't understand me?
You can repeat slowly or use simple words. Confidence is trying, not perfection.
Wow, that makes me feel more comfortable speaking in English anywhere.
Exactly, Lily. Confidence grows with practice in real situations.
Alex, checking into a hotel can feel intimidating, but confidence helps a lot.
Yes, Lily. Let's practice how to speak confidently at the reception.
Hello, I have a reservation under the name Lily.
Welcome, Lily. May I see your ID and booking confirmation, please?
Of course. Here they are.
Thank you. Your room is ready, and here is your key.
Alex, how can I ask about hotel facilities confidently?
You can ask, "Excuse me, where is the gym?" Or, "Could you tell me about the breakfast timings?"
Excuse me, could you tell me about the breakfast timings?
Perfect. That's confident and polite.
Now, imagine we're shopping for clothes. Speaking confidently helps you get exactly what you want.
Yes, let's practice asking for sizes and colors confidently.
Excuse me, do you have the shirt in medium size?
Yes, here you go. Would you like it in another color?
Yes. Do you have it in blue?
Sure. Here's the blue one.
Thank you. I love practicing English confidently while shopping.
See, Lily? Confidence is about trying, smiling, and speaking clearly.
So, friends, wherever you are, airport, cafe, park, office, or supermarket, practice speaking confidently.
Yes, Lily. Confidence comes from real conversations and practice.
And if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future lessons.
That's right. And please share this episode with anyone you know who is also learning English. It would mean a lot to us, and we love to hear from you.
So please leave a comment below telling us about your day in English or any other topics you'd like us to talk about in the future.
Yes, we read your comments and appreciate your feedback. So until next time, keep practicing your English and have a wonderful day.
Happy learning, everyone.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Bye, Alex.
Bye, everyone. Bye, Lily.